So I've had this device for a little bit of time now. I actually lost one of the earbuds out of it, and so I was in my head, I'm like, should I buy another one? Should I not? Should I buy another one? But this thing is so freaking awesome because you use the earbuds inside of it, track your heartbeat, get notifications and everything. I had to get another one. I was debating whether I should or not, but this is one of my favorite pieces of tech in 2019. And now I got a backup. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna even see if the earbuds from this new one will work in the old one, but let's go ahead, open this up, and without any further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and give this a second go, because the way I lost it was super stupid. I was like half asleep, and I was putting one of the earbuds back in the watch, and I didn't completely twist it to lock it in. And I remember like thinking, oh, it'll be okay. It wasn't. When I got to work, I was missing an earbud, so I definitely needed to get another one of these. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Right here you can see we do have some specifications. It says the model is the T90 TWS headset bracelet with the master chip, the NRF52832. The screen is 0.9.6 TFT, waterproof IP67. Standby time is 7 to 10 days. The battery capacity is 35 milliamp hours. The bracelet, it's 160 milliamp hours, and it's the zinc alloy PC, silicone, Bluetooth 4.2, and the earphones are actually Bluetooth 5.2. So that's actually sick. And a whole lot more. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me. Let's just go ahead, open up the box. Okay, so let me go ahead, pull this out. And wow, okay, so now you can, at the top, we got our instruction manual, T90s right here. Everything's going to be in another language, but you're going to be able to see that we do get QR code along with a ton of information. But we're gonna put that off to the side right now. Just to compare it, they did give me the same color here. So we do have the same color, and you can see I got two now. So I wanted to see if this right one actually works in this one, but let's just put this one off to the side right now and just focus on this one. Let's go ahead and peel off this little tape right here. Okay, that was cool. Okay, so there's no juice on that thing. Let's take off this rubber band, and you can see right here the strap is a gray color versus a blue color, so that's the main difference. Let's see what else is in the box right here. It's the cable right here. So let's just pop this open. Okay, so that's not a USB cable. That's the special magnetic cable with the Type A end on it and the magnet attached to it. But I'm definitely looking forward to part 2, because I was missing this thing. The earbuds are so sleek in your ear. So we could put that off to the side. Now we have an extra charger as well, which is definitely sick. Then we're gonna get that QR scan, which we definitely need right here. Okay, so we got something. Let's click that. There we go. So there we go. Now it is actually on. It says charging as well. Now you go into the app right here, and what you do is you can see right here, you click devices, and I'm gonna remove this device right here, which it was attached to, which was my Yuma Digi watch. But now you just go to add device right there, and then you're gonna see the T90 right there. So I'm not sure why they named it the T90 this time compared to the LT04. Maybe this could be like an updated version or something like that. But let me take this off. Oh wait, we actually need it because there's no juice on it. Let's test out the volume control. I'm gonna pair the T90 one right here to my device, and you can see it tells you the percentage when it's connected to your device. You could choose from the different watch faces. So they got some new ones here, which is pretty cool. You could select notifications, and you can choose to select everything that you so desire. I don't really like to get a ton of them, but just like the calls and texts and everything. You also get alarms that you could set up as well. So I definitely think that's pretty sick. They give you another feature right here for shutter, so you can control your camera too. But when you go down here and you select others, you're going to be able to set up weather and heartbeat. And this is your sedentary reminder to get up. You have time format, find my device. Here's weather and Fahrenheit selected, which is cool. And it even has all my settings saved from when I had this previously set up on another device. So what I'm gonna do is test out the earbuds and just show you how to pair them real quick, and then we're just gonna test that out real quick. So all you have to do is go to your Bluetooth right here, and then you're gonna pull these out right here, 1 and 2. And you can see they're already paired at a box, because when one blinks and the other doesn't, that means that they're set up to be paired to each other. So you could actually just put those in and look for the new pair a new device feature right here. It says T90R, so you just go ahead and hit that. And as soon as it's paired, this light is going to turn off right now. So that light is off. That means they're both paired. But if you were to have both of them blinking at the same exact time, that means that they're going to pair individually. So what you want to do is do a hold for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then let go after you see the light, after you hear a beep and you see the light blink. Let me just test out the songs right now and the quality. I miss having these, man. Look how sleek this is. Your boss would never know you were listening to music. Alright, so let's go ahead and play a quick track right here on Spotify. And right now the right one is only getting music, so let's go ahead and fix that. So as you can see, the right one is only getting music. So let me pause it. And now I'm going to turn the left one on. 1, 2, 3. And it said power on. And now they're actually paired to each other. I don't know if you heard that beat. Let me see. Wait. 1 is the pause button. And then 2 touches is to skip. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now let's test out the volume control. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one in the right ear is how you would turn it up. 2, 3. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Play. Alright, so as you can see, the volume is actually working really good. Let's test out the playback on YouTube. YouTube automatically recommended this channel, C. Butler, so you should definitely check it out. Yeah, there's no playback latency at all, so this is really cool. Let me see. I'm gonna call the diner. You guys are closing right now? Oh shit. Everything? Oh. Okay, cool. No, for the next time. I just want to make sure the listing on the internet was correct. Okay. All right, sounds good, buddy. Okay, I got you. All right, thank you so much for that info. All right. You too. All right. Let me see, how do I end the call? Oh, you just tap it on the right one and it ends the call. And then I'm just gonna put these back in so you can see right here they will charge immediately, and then that light will go on. And then you can actually put this one back in as well. Let me see. But don't be a dummy like me and actually don't be a dummy like me and don't, you have to lock it when you put it in there. So let me just see something real quick. Hold on 1 second. Let me see if this thing actually charges in the LT04. Let me see something. Oh yeah, it's charging right inside of there, so you wouldn't even notice the difference. So yeah, that's sick. Thank you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and the bell icon so you can subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But in the meantime, I'll check you guys on the next video, and stay locked in for more videos just like this. Peace.